Hey everyone, it's Daisy here. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be making these DIY little star twin charms. They're super cute and really simple to make. So what you'll need are these stuff. I'll list them in the description below. To start, we're going to get a round piece of yellow clay and start forming it into the star. So to do this, you start pinching 5 sides of this clay and you keep working at it. So you got to keep going around in the circle and keep pinching it and flattening it, and it eventually will become a star. Then we're going to be making the twins' faces, and to make the face you create a sphere and then you just flatten them like so. So just 2 circular spheres. We're now going to start with Lala. So we're going to make Lala's hair. The first thing is to flatten a piece of pink clay in a semicircular sort of shape to make the back of the hair. So we're kind of making the long, kind of blown out back of the hair, and then we're going to make some indentations to create detail in the hair. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm using this tool that I got on eBay. And once that's done, we're gonna stick this piece of hair on the back of one of the flattened circles. Next, we're gonna make Lala's fringe. So we're gonna grab a flattened pink circle and then indent it or crease it with my nail. This is the way I do it. I mean, you can just, cut a sphere in half, but I was too lazy to cut it. And then once we've got a semicircle shape, we're gonna get the tool that I used earlier, this rubbery nib tool, and just kind of detail out how I want the fringe to look. And then once the fringe is done, we're gonna stick that onto Lala's head. Next, we're gonna make Kiki, which is the brother. First, we're going to create the hair. So with Kiki, we don't need to create the back of his hair. We're just going to be making the front bowl cut sort of thing. So that is like a semicircle / jelly bean shape, and then indenting it with the tool to make it look like a flat Pac-Man ghost shape. And then we're going to stick the fringe or bowl cut hair onto the semicircle. So we've got now the 2 faces. Now here we're going to be creating the eyes. So I've just used my dotting tool and created 2 eye socket holes, and then with black clay I'm putting spherical pieces into the sockets so it makes the cute little eyes. The smaller the eyes, the cuter it is. Next, we're going to be placing the star twins onto the star. So you can position it however you like, but I kind of winged it. I wanted my charm to be like in 2 different parts, but this is totally optional. You don't have to cut it here, but I decided to cut it. I don't have a cutting tool in this point in time because I moved, so I couldn't find it. So I'm using like this random piece of tool that I have, and it's so dodgy. It cut it so bad, and it's not the best cut in the world, but it'll do. And then I added just 2 little holes on each side of my charm to create like a charm piece thing. So like I can put the string through and then make it into a charm. I then put Kiki and Lala's head onto each side of the star, and then I bent it. Then it became this charm. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!